this is how you will make an account in CodePen. So you need to open up a new tab and type in CodePen. Obviously, this is how we do it. We type in CodePen, IO, enter. Says sign up with email. Click that. And you probably have to scroll down on your Chromebook to see your name. Put in your first and last name. That way I know who I am grading. Do the same thing again. Username should be your first and last name. Use your school email and then keep the password the same that you use for the school email. Okay? That's as simple as it is. And then you will submit.